Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the 2025 National User Conference here in Orlando. It is a pleasure to be here. I am Dhruv Bhasin. Today, it's my pleasure to have Chad Erickson from MSA Dallas with us. We are going to be talking all things Sunoh today, so we really appreciate his time. Chad, welcome to the podcast. I really appreciate having you here, man.
It's a pleasure to be here.
It's been great getting to know you the last couple of days. You know, we've chatted quite a bit. So before we even get into the meat of Sunoh and how this works, etc., can you give everyone a little bit of a background of, you know, your stint in healthcare IT and what you've seen and your role in, you know, with the AI?
Absolutely. So back in 2016,
Right.
I was a practice executive for a neurosurgery group in Fort Worth. And myself and a couple of friends got together and decided that healthcare needed better business intelligence.
Right.
So we actually, on an Oracle platform, created one of the first small business intelligence platforms specifically for healthcare and its unique challenges.
Right.
In 2017, we were the keynote speakers for the small business for Oracle's Open World, and then did a variety of different things. My current project, which is Texas Best Docs, we're part of the NVIDIA Accelerator AI program. And so we're able to participate in AWS's AI program.
This is 2016, though, you're saying?
No, this is now. I just did this a couple of years ago.
Okay.
Google's Plug and Play, and as well as some of the NVIDIA programs.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, but
I've seen AI, and the stuff that we're seeing with ECW really is good.
Oh, that's all. It's great of you to say that. No, but you said 2016 is when you actually started getting your feet wet in the AI space. So you've been in this for a while.
Oh yeah, back then they called it machine learning.
Yeah.
And now marketing says it's business intelligence.
Yes. No, but I'm glad that you started off by saying you're seeing such progress in ECW. I think we all feel the same way. The way AI is progressing and the speed at which it's being implemented in ECW is amazing, I think, for all of us, employees, clients, everywhere. So why don't you tell us a little bit about the rollout with Sunoh.ai? I believe you got it going last year, right?
So, yeah, last year, one of my providers came to the conference in Dallas, which was fantastic. And after seeing the rollout, she said, you know what, I'll give it a go.
Yeah.
She had been working with a full-time scribe for years and years. So the efficiencies were already there, but almost immediately we saw a 90% reduction in the cost. I mean, and I don't know about you, but nobody's paying us more in healthcare. So we got to find ways to cut
money is
be more efficient. And so immediately she got a pay increase, which was fantastic for her.
Yeah.
But then the other surprise was about every 7 weeks, there'd be a release that comes out.
Yeah.
And she'd noticed that her notes would be structured more like how she was restructuring them. And it was picking up on better details. And like right now, she's like, I'll never go back.
So you mean like the AI was learning?
The AI was learning
her habits and adapting
the way that she did things. And it was pretty stellar.
That's amazing. That's amazing to hear. And is it just her, or do you have a bunch of providers using it right now?
Well, I've had another doctor with probably a better example because he wasn't using any kind of scribe whatsoever. And so the fun part is he would get there frequently an hour before I did. And then he was doing 12-hour days. And I don't know if you've been around doctors that do 12-hour days.
Grumpy.
They are no fun.
Grumpy.
They're no fun whatsoever. And so being able to see him go to basically a 40-hour work week, it made his life better. It made the life of his.
You guys are better friends now, it seems.
We're not hanging out yet.
You guys are.
You know, we're definitely on better time.
He has more pajama time. He's happier. It saves him.
Pajama time. He loves his saxophone actually, so he spends more time playing.
You guys are starting a band soon, is what I'm saying. The Sunoh.ai band. Okay, that's great. No, that's fantastic. And I've heard a lot of these stories, and the one thing I want to know is, what are you excited about to see? Because you're using it efficiently. Your providers love it. It's saving you time. It's, pajama time for your providers. They're happier. But what have you seen so far, enhancements-wise, in Sunoh that really excites you right now?
So
at the conference,
one of the things I saw that was, just blew me away. And this, the keynote.
Oh, yeah, they go,
holy cow. Have you played with these yet?
A little bit. Not as I don't have, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah?
It's pretty cool. But this, and I look horrible in glasses, so
I think you look Superman. Even it's like Clark Kent and Superman. What are you talking about?
Don't recognize me. Here I am. There I am.
Who are you? Okay.
One of the things that people don't realize is this actually is going to lead to better outcomes for their patients. And I know that seems silly.
No.
And I got this, it's not an original idea. I got it from one of Malcolm Gladwell's books, but in that first minute, that patient determines whether or not they're going to listen to that doctor.
I agree.
And whether or not they're going to sue them.
Yep.
Quite frankly, there's two really important things that happen there.
Straight. Yeah.
And so if you're engaging that patient instead of having your face in a tablet or in a keyboard or what have you, that creates a better relationship. And when that patient feels listened to, they're more likely to follow medical advice. And when they follow medical advice, they actually get the outcomes they're looking for.
100%.
I know.
100%.
At the end of the day, that's what we're coming together for anyways in healthcare.
Yes, the quality of care, like you said, the quality of care, it's like, it's switched on. You don't even know it's there,
So it's weird to think this piece of technology actually helps Betty take her medications when she's supposed to.
Because it also creates that environment of, you're in a safe place, quality of care. I like.
Absolutely.
I'm not a grumpy doctor. I like that.
No.
100%. No, that's great. Great to hear, Chad. The last question I guess I'll ask you, the last question that I have for you today is, if you were to talk to any AI skeptics out there, especially about ambient listing skeptics out there, what would you tell them to convince them one sentence, one little,
Well, I've got kind of a concept together, and it's a good news, bad news type of thing.
Okay.
And I've been seeing the writing on the wall for a while. The good news is AI is not going to take your job. And I know that's what most doctors are afraid of, but AI is not going to take your job. The bad news is people who know how to use AI are going to take your job.
Oh, that's, yeah.
And so, I mean, really, you're either going to innovate or you're just going to fall apart. That's
well said. I think I agree with that 100%. And again, if you want to, stop by the booth, the Sunoh.ai booth, which we are in, ECW Central, you can find me. Chad will probably be hanging around there as well because he's got more knowledge on this than I do as well. He uses this on a day-to-day basis. But Chad, thanks so much. It's such a pleasure having you.
Thank you.
Always great to see you. He's a veteran. He's been here plenty of times, and hopefully we'll see you around more.
Excellent.
At the next
See you later.
conference. Yeah. Awesome. Take care. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.